Welcome to the free walking tour of Edmonton, you guys. How are we all doing today?
My name is Julie. I'm your tour guide today. I really love traveling, so when I came back to Edmonton, I really wanted to be a tour guide. So how about we go around and you can say your name and where you're from?
Well, this is Veterans Plaza. So now Vimy Ridge is a part of Canada.
I love the river valley, seeing the great scenes, great guides, awesome vibes, unforgettable experience. I'd do it again in a heartbeat.
So behind me here is the Neon Sign Museum. What we wanted to do is we really wanted to preserve our history.
All of it was really nice. All the scenery was really nice, and then getting like the history of it as well was really cool.
So here you're looking at the Stantec Tower, which is the tallest building in Western Canada.
The River Valley is now the largest urban park in North America.